Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on mathematics page number 14, question number 3, part A. Write the value of the circle digit 8 circle, 15, 67, 032. Now the 8 digit circle you can write like as 8 crore. 8 crore and then put a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 0 put with 8. It means 8 crore. Now question number 4. Write in expanded form 6,1830596. You can write like as in expanded form 6 put 70, then 1 put 60, then 8 put 50, then 3 put 40, then 5 put 30, then 9 put 10 and plus 6. Now we did question number 4. Write the successor. It means successor means you add 1 in this value 3,18,72 and 499. Then you add 1, it becomes 4,18,72 and 500. Now this is the answer of this question.